guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can do the Amber Heard filter on TikTok. So for that, if you're looking for the effect here in TikTok, you'll not get the effect here in TikTok because this effect is from Snapchat. So you need to have Snapchat in your device, and once you have Snapchat, what you have to do, website, link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the snap code for this filter. You can scan the code with your Snapchat mobile app, and if you're browsing this website in your mobile, just tap on the snap code and open it with Snapchat. Okay, you will see one pop-up. Wait for it. Yeah, tap on unlock for 48 hours. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to record a video here in Snapchat. Then you can save the video to your camera roll, and from there you can use the video in TikTok. So let me record a small video. Okay, let's save it. Okay, now let's go to TikTok. Okay, this is the upload button here. Browse the video you just made. Hit next. Okay, hit next. Okay, and you are ready to share it to your TikTok. So that's it, guys. Likewise, you can do this Amber Heard filter on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video, guys. See you in the next video.